So we are in Columbus, Ohio, and I thought, it'd be a good opportunity to take a look at one of the trucks that a lot of people are mentioning as an alternative to the new Toyota Tacoma. I find it a little hard to believe myself, but nonetheless, this is what you guys are saying. And I'm talking about the Honda Ridgeline. We have one sitting right here, and I haven't really gotten up close and personal with a new one, so I thought we'd take a look and see what they have. And so far, walking around the lot, and this is kind of a big lot here, this is just the back part. This is the only one that I've seen, and there is a sticker, so let's kind of just take a walk around the outside. I guess it is in this kind of bluish gray or pewterish gray. We'll see on the sticker what it says. Looking inside, and hopefully you guys can see a little more integrated, of course, than what the Tacoma is. You can see it has a more integrated infotainment system there, and the cup holders, and everything just looks more plush, I guess. And not to take anything away from the new Tacoma, but it does look a little more plush on the inside. Lots of chrome wheels. Does have the looks like composite. This isn't even composite. This looks more like a plastic bed. The one thing that I love about the Ridgeline is it does have storage in the back here underneath. You can pop this up. Looks like somebody used it as a trash bin. There is a sliding window back there, and even a little bit of a, not really a spoiler, but a little bit of a extension, I guess, on that rear window area. I don't think this is unlocked. Let's find out. It is. Wow. Well, it doesn't have a soft drop on the tailgate there, but here's the handle. See if I can get in. Nope, doesn't look like it. Looks like it's locked. So I guess that's good. We can't see underneath, but that's okay. Let's look around the other side here, get to this sticker. And this truck goes for $44,920. You guys can see there. Color wise, let's see if we can figure that out. They call it Sonic Gray. It is a 2024, and I don't see any aftermarket additions or anything like that to the price of this truck. So that's a good thing, I think. Otherwise, your pretty standard stuff. I'm not going to read through all of the options on it. It is a 3.5 liter VTEC V6, so it's not turbo. 280 horsepower, and it has a 9-speed automatic transmission. It would be interesting to know if this thing has any get up and go as compared to the Tacoma. I don't know. Let's see if we can open the gas thing. Nope, gotta be unlocked. I'm guessing the truck is not unlocked. One thing I do want to check again back here is a lock for the back, and I don't see any lock back here. There's no keyhole or anything, so apparently the rear tailgate is just unlocked. I don't know. Let's see if we can get in the truck. I don't think we probably can. No, we can't. So it is locked, and interestingly, the tailgate apparently stays unlocked. I don't know. Take one more look around here. I think I do like the color, actually. That's not too bad, and if I'm not mistaken, I think I actually had a Honda in this Sonic Gray color a while back. There is a sunroof up there, by the way. It does have the shark fin antenna on top. And let's see, tires wise, it's running a looks like a 245/60 R18, so they do have 18-inch tires on here. I think pretty similar to what the Tacoma has. In the front, we've got kind of the same idea anyway, with the square or rectangular fog lights. Their safety sense, I'm guessing, is probably right here behind the Honda badge. I'm not sure. But not a bad looking truck. I think Honda actually has come a ways in the design of their truck. I think if you could lift this thing up in the air, a little bit. Maybe get rid of the chrome over here along the windows. It actually would be a pretty good looking truck. Now let's take a peek back here, see if we have any more. And I don't really see any others sitting back here. So going by you know, I guess inventory and stuff, you know, everybody's talking about how sparse the Tacomas were. It appears that the Honda is about the same. So far I've only seen actually one on the lot here. Let's take a little bit more of a walk down the side. They do have some other vehicles down here. A lot of SUVs. It seems there are tons of those. There's the big Honda Pilot. What does a Pilot go for? $46,695. So not a lot more than what the Element is. I do see another Ridgeline up here in white. So let's we're not really gonna jog. I do like this blue color, by the way, kind of similar to my Tesla. But let's check this out. This is looks like a different package. It says Trail Sport on the front here, so I don't know if that's some hopped up Ridgeline or not. Check out the window sticker, and I can't really see what year this thing is. Okay, right across here, it is a 2024, and price wise right there looks like $46,850, I think. But again, it does seem to have a special package on it, or a different package. One thing I didn't notice on the other one, this does have a dual exhaust on it, and it feeds out of the back. One of my favorite things. That's pretty cool. I like that. There again is the Trail Sport badge, for whatever that means. It does have a beefier tire on it. These are grabbers, and let's see what kind of size we have. Looks like a 245/60 R18. So they did go with a more aggressive tire on this body style. And right here, I didn't even notice, is another Ridgeline right beside the white one that you guys can see. This one is in gray, I guess. Does have the inserts in the tailgate, i.e. the Toyota Tacoma, right? Otherwise, looks to be about the same. Let's check the sticker on this. It is a 2024. And price wise, let's see, where are we at on this one? This one is $44,200. So again, in the 40 some odd thousand range. Let's take a quick peek in here. This one has, and this is that Trail Ridge or whatever it said on the front, does have some updated stitching and things like that on the inside. Otherwise looks pretty much the same as the first one that we looked at. Looking back across the front of this one, it is a more standard, I guess. Does not say Trail Sport. I guess I was looking at or thinking of a different model. It is Trail Sport. So that's a total of 3 Honda Ridgelines that they seem to have on the lots available for sale here. Again, I would really like to drive one, but I'm here actually for a service call on someone else's Honda, an inspection on a gearbox. That was on a Honda Civic. So that looks like it's about it. They have 3 Ridgelines on the lot. My favorite of the bunch, one more quick peek, has to be this Trail Sport that they have. I particularly like the tires on it. Too bad it's in a white color. But I do like the way this one looks. I think if it had, again, a lift on it with a little bit of wheel poke in it, you might actually be able to get a Honda Ridgeline that actually looks pretty good. Anyway, I just happened to have an opportunity here at Germain Honda in Columbus, Ohio. I think we're actually in Dublin or Worthington, I don't know, to take a quick look. And this is a truck that a lot of people have said they're going to go to. as opposed to the Toyota Tacoma, the new version? Leave a comment, let me know. Interested in either one of these? I'd be curious. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.